welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be going over the homepage, the features of your new website homepage. So once you start using MyRestaurantTheme, you'll be able to take advantage of all the features that we built into the homepage of MyRestaurantTheme powered websites. And we won't be talking about the design possibilities now because there's a separate tutorial on that which will show you how to recolor the buttons, how to use different fonts, how to change the pattern of the header background, the color of the header background. So those are all part of a different tutorial. Right now we'll just go over the layout features of your new homepage. So there are 4 unique elements to the homepage of your new website. First of all, you have your featured slider. Second, you have the homepage content area. Third, you have a special homepage menu. And last but not least, you have your homepage widgets area. Now let's just have a look at each of these in more detail. Your homepage featured slider is designed to give your visitors a real impact once they visit your website. As you know, you can add as many slides as you want, and your visitors will be able to close the slider and open it back up with this button. And they'll also be able to change in between these slides using these little buttons right here. You can have any type of slide here, basically promoting your own specials, promoting other people's specials, promoting your happy hour, for example. And it's really all easy to do and self-explanatory. There's a separate tutorial on how to add slides into this featured slider. So we won't be going over that right now, but we will be going over the settings of the feature slider. So as you can see, I'm on the WordPress administration panel in the My Restaurant settings menu, and there's a homepage settings submenu, which I'll click right now. And there are 3 submenus. Let's just start out with the homepage slider, since that's what we're talking about. As you can see, you can actually disable the slider. If you're using several categories in the slider post type right here, then you can specify which category should be shown. You can also change the height of the slider, so basically the height of this area of the slider. So for example, if you wanted to reduce the height of your feature slider from 440 to 350, for example, you could either type it in here or use this scroller, press save changes, and press refresh on your homepage, and your slider will be 350 pixels high instead of the 440 pixels that it comes standard with. Next, you can also change the transition effects that happen between each slide. There are a number of effects that you can use. You can change how long these effects take place, and also you can vary the pause time that takes place in between each new slide. Let's have a quick look at the homepage content area as well. You can basically add any type of content here. Lots of people like to put quotes here that characterize their restaurant, or maybe a review that they got in a prominent magazine, for example. But really, you could put anything here. You could put your blog posts here. You could put even more widgets. You could put an image gallery, whatever you want. And the way you can do that is go back to the administration panel, and right here you'll see the homepage content editor. And this is basically an editor that you're used to already from using WordPress. You can write whatever you want in here. You could add any form of content, even short codes. We have a separate tutorial on how to use short codes, but just to demonstrate this, I'll quickly add the website blog onto the homepage. The shortcode has been inserted, and now all I have to do is press save changes, go back to my site, and refresh the homepage. And as you can see, just as we wanted, our news posts, our blog has been inserted into the homepage content area, pushing down the next special element of the homepage, which is the special homepage menu. To to be able to administer this homepage menu, you simply need to go to Homepage General in the Administration tab, and you can even turn off the homepage menu if you want, or you can specify which menu card the homepage menu should get its contents from. So right now I'm using the main menu, so all of the food items I have on the website. That's why it has 3 pagination pages of food items. But for example, if I were only to use soups, which only has 4 food items, then only the food items in the soups menu card would be shown here. Next, you have your homepage widgets section, your special homepage widgets. You have 3 places, you have 3 widgetized areas right here, and there's a separate tutorial on how to use widgets, but let's just go over there real quickly. That's under Appearance and the widgets. And as you can see, the first widgetized area you have right here is the homepage widget area. And as you would with any other widget, you just drag and drop your widgets right in here, and they'll appear on your homepage. You could reorder them if you wanted in any way you want, and it will take instant effect once you refresh your website's new homepage. And as you can see, the widgets have been reordered, and as with any widget, you can basically put any sort of content into these widgetized areas that you want. Now, we designed the homepage of MyRestaurantTheme powered websites to really give an impact, a really good first impression to your visitors, and we wanted it to give you the freedom to basically be able to promote anything you want on your homepage, to have any sort of featured item, any sort of featured promotion, and for you to be able to drive sales through using your homepage elements wisely. So I encourage you to be creative with the featured slider, with the content area you have, with your menu area here, for example, and with your widgets. Finding a good combination of creative marketing and a creative mix between these homepage elements will really get your guests finding the right combination and balance for your website, for your website, so your restaurant's audience is very finding the right combination of these elements is different for every restaurant, for every bar, for every cafe. So I encourage you to fool around with it a bit, test each element, test what happens if you have different sort of promotions. Maybe you won't even have the big menu card right here. You might not even have the content area showing it all. You can change everything really easily. So for example, let's say you just wanted to have the slider and the widgets. All you would need to do is go back to the homepage settings screen, go turn off the homepage menu, and then go to your content editor and just delete everything here. Save changes, and your homepage has been altered dramatically in just about 5 seconds. And once your homepage refreshes, you can see that the layout changes have taken effect instantly. So you can basically test the layout variations, test different promotion types, and really what time you'll find the combination that's best suited for your restaurant. Okay, so that's about it for our tutorial on the homepage elements of your new website of MyRestaurantTheme. And I hope this was educational, and make sure you watch all of the other tutorials as well. Bye.